Also tonight, a change of plans in the trial for a woman accused in the death of her 2-year-old daughter.
Instead, it came down to a plea in court. This morning, 42-year-old Leandra Andrade was found not guilty by reason of insanity in the case dating back to August 2022. 10 on Your Side's Chris Horn continues our coverage of the case.
The judge reviewed the expert opinions this morning in court. He decided he should accept her plea of not guilty by reason of insanity. And court documents we received after today's trial also indicate her mindset leading up to the death of her 2-year-old daughter. Compulsive personality disorder, paranoid personality disorder, delusional disorder. Just some of the diagnoses for 42-year-old Leandra Andrade. Based on a tip from her friend, police responded to the Cuddy Sark Motel on Atlantic Avenue at the Oceanfront in August 2022. They found the lifeless body of 2-year-old Lanoix Andrade on the bed, a pink foam coming from her mouth and nose, 2 containers of sleeping pills nearby. Cause of death, overdose of antihistamines. But the Commonwealth says it was all part of a larger murder-suicide scheme. The parents were in a pitched custody battle, and Fabio Andrade had warned authorities more than a year earlier that Leandra could be a danger to herself and their daughter. Court documents show he was awarded temporary sole legal custody of Lanoix July 29, 2022. 3 days later, she was dead. Andrade dressed herself and Lanoix in matching pajamas and planned to take both of their lives to, quote, be welcomed into heaven together. Andrade was unconscious when police arrived and taken to the hospital. After she was found not guilty this morning, her attorney said she needs a lot more treatment, and her family agrees.
I think they were very pleased at the result in the context that she's not going to be housed away in a cage for the rest of her life, and that she'll have the ability to have treatment and care.
Andrade will continue to be evaluated over the next several weeks. She'll be back here at the courthouse in Virginia Beach on March 10th. At that time, the judge will determine whether she will require more mental health treatment. We're in Virginia Beach. Chris Horn, 10 on Your Side.
You can see all of our previous coverage of this story right now on wavy.com.